What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to allow install unknown apps on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon and from here click on special access and then scroll down and click on install unknown apps option. Now from here you can allow the apps to install unknown apps. So to allow the app to install unknown apps, turn on their respective button. And after turning on our apps button, from here that app will be allowed to install unknown apps in your phone. So that's how you can allow install unknown apps on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.